So it's already been established that waltz is our favorite style of dance here at Ballroom Dance Chicago. So I thought I would take a second today to share with you what waltz is all about. Waltz is a smooth dance, which means that you should be moving smoothly around the floor. It should look graceful and effortless. So how is it that we can make the waltz look so graceful and effortless? Well, we found that there's one easy answer to this dilemma. Yep. But really, how is it that we can make waltz smooth? Well, waltz has what's called rise and fall, where as you're moving across the floor, you're also moving up and down through the space at the same time. This rise and fall gives us power, but also gives us the ability to move smoothly. That is, if you do it correctly. Let me show you what I mean. So, if you suddenly rise or suddenly fall, the dance kind of takes on this jerky nature. But if you do it slowly and squeeze all your muscles in, you can smooth out the whole dance. So essentially, as we're moving around the floor, we're rising and falling and squeezing our muscles as much as we possibly can. The better we get at waltz, the more we actually have to work hard. Interesting fact.